Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I...
For many owners, replacing with wide body kits or a set of aftermarket wheels has become the choice of most people. However, not all the OEM wheels can fit perfectly. The inaccurate wheel may cause a vibration while driving at high speed. BONOSS half-century wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. For the outlook, the wheel spacer increases the stance and aesthetics of your vehicle. By pushing the wheels out from the chassis, spacers create a more aggressive and dominant posture for your dodge. So in this case, no matter if you have an inconsistent aftermarket wheel with the original car, the wheel is not flush loop to the fender, or the wheel clearance issue occurs, wheel spacer can be the way to solve all those problems easily. For the wheel clearance measurement, the 15mm wheel spacers are the perfect thickness to make the wheels flush with the fender. By correcting the offsets, the dodge gets a more aggressive look.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!